Florida right now is very cold, so we've been getting a lot of no heat calls, and I'm not 100% sure, but I think I know what the problem is. This is for the new technicians out there. Don't overcomplicate the problem. Sometimes you look for the most obvious things. This wire goes into there, which sends all the signals down to your heat synchronizers. Let's put it back in and turn it on. Plugged it in. Fan turned on. Put my amp probe on the leads, and you'll see when the heater kicks in. Heard the click. Oh, I'm on the ground. That's another dummy mistake. So I did hear the heater kick in. So that's what you should be seeing, somewhere about 30 or 40. Depending on what K rating heater you got. But this is probably at least a 4-ton or a 5-ton, so it has a 10K heater in it. So 35, 40, that's where you want to be. That's it. Simple fix. On to the next one.